The U.S. Army 7th Infantry Division has made history as the first active unit to receive the M1304 ICVVA1 Stryker infantry fighting vehicle. The 1-17th Infantry Battalion, known as the Buffaloes, is now fielding this upgraded version of the Stryker, part of the 2-2 Stryker Brigade Combat Team. This new vehicle, previously known as the XM1304, integrates the common remotely operated weapon station, Javelin, Crowsj, and the XM813 Bushmaster chain gun, providing a significant boost in firepower for infantry units. The M1304 Stryker is replacing the older M1296 Dragoon variant, addressing several vulnerabilities in its predecessor, such as the flat-bottom hull and outdated ammunition storage configuration. Built to improve survivability and combat effectiveness, the M1304 boasts a reinforced double V-hull design that protects against blasts from IEDs and mines, making it more suitable for modern combat environments. The vehicle's upgraded suspension and drivetrain also enhance its mobility, ensuring it can navigate rough terrains while carrying heavier payloads. With a 450 horsepower engine and an advanced 30mm Bushmaster chain gun, the M1304 is a powerhouse in terms of direct fire lethality. The weapon system can fire a range of 30mm ammunition, including programmable airburst rounds, armor-piercing shells, and high-explosive rounds, providing unmatched flexibility in combat. A coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a retractable dual missile launcher further extend the vehicle's ability to engage both infantry and armored threats. The M1304 is also equipped with the Trophy Active Protection System, which intercepts incoming projectiles like anti-tank missiles, further enhancing its survivability. Another standout feature is the vehicle's advanced electro-optical and infrared systems, providing the crew with enhanced situational awareness in both day and night operations. The M1304's onboard sensors, including the Sight 25 HD thermal imagers, allow the commander and gunner to spot and target threats with greater precision. The U.S. Army plans to field 269 of these next-generation Strykers across 3 Stryker Brigade Combat Teams by 2025, marking a major step in modernizing its fleet. This $942.9 million contract, awarded to Oshkosh Defense, Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, and Pratt Miller Defense, will see the M1304 fully integrated into the Army's operations, replacing older Stryker variants and providing a new standard for infantry fighting vehicles. With its combination of advanced firepower, enhanced protection, and modern technology, the M1304 ICVVA1 Stryker is set to redefine the capabilities of U.S. Army infantry. The vehicle's versatility ensures that it can perform a wide range of missions, from direct combat to reconnaissance and medical evacuation, making it a critical asset for the future of modern warfare. The M1304 is not just an upgrade, it's a new era in how the U.S. Army approaches combat. With its superior mobility, protection, and firepower, the M1304 Stryker is ready to face the challenges of today's battlefield and beyond.